Alright, this is ThinkTankStormFX. Please share this video and like and comment on this video. Please subscribe on our channel. This is ThinkTankStormFX. Just I wanted to show you something on Euro USD, whereby our demand on 15 minutes failed, and I took a loss. Just that also close took a loss. Yes, I had my confirmations here. Everything was intact, but market definitely just after then continued moving forward. So I expected this demand on 5 minutes to hold up. Then you can see this breakout structure to the upside. Yeah, you can see it. And also we have this area of consolidation market coming, and then started like started showing some momentum, reducing momentum, and a shift in the market. This is internal breakout structure. I was estimating that market we're going to use this demand, then we sell off, but it provided and then came back and took me off. Yeah, so stick to your strategy. Okay. It came and then took me off from my demand here. Wow, just so just profits came and took me. My demand did not hold. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you. Stick to your strategy, guys. Stick to your strategy.